Hello, welcome to another episode of Magic Tuesday. Guys, today we are going to pick up from our last week's episode, that is optical fiber 12G mini converter from Blackmagic Design. Yes guys, these are the units right here. What this unit does, it converts SDI to optical and optical back to SDI. They come in handy when you have kilometers of distance to run your signal. What you need to have this converter complete: SFP modules. This is how an SFP module looks like. I have my two units right here. So this is an SFP module. This module comes in three different formats. That is the 3G, 6G, and 12G. Depending on the workflow that you have, you go for the module that will work for you. Yes, so what you have to do is just, there's a rubber protector right here where you're supposed to insert your module. You get that out and just slide the module right in until you hear a click. So the module is right in place and the converter is ready to do its work. Because I have Blackmagic products that have the optical ports, I'm not going to use my converters today. I also have the Blackmagic Smart View monitor right here. So these two units have an optical port, so I won't be needing the converters for today. All I need is a fiber cable with an LC connector. This is how an LC connector looks like. So I'll have one end connected to my camera optical port right here. So we have the port on the camera, and then you have the module. You just slide the module right in. We have optical out and optical in on the same port. This means that this cable can transmit back and forth, the signal back and forth. I also have the port right here on the monitor. I don't have a module there right now, so I'm going to use this module that I just opened on my monitor. And there we go, the module is in place and ready to be connected. So I'll have my cable connected. You hear a clicking sound telling you that your cable is safety in place and ready to use. So I have this other end on the camera, and there we go. All I have to do is power my units and see if my feed is being transmitted from the camera to the monitor. So let's get to that. I'll power my monitor first, and then I'll power my camera. There we go. We have a feed on the monitor being transmitted from my camera's optical port. You can see I'm focusing right now on the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K Pro. Yes, the feed is live. You can see that. Yes guys, you don't need to configure anything. It's not only for the units, but also if you're using the optical fiber converters, there's nothing for you to configure. You just have to put your SFP module, connect your cable on each end. If you're having it from your camera or if you're having it to your switcher, you just connect the cable and let the converter do its job. As simple as that. Yes, and it's done. Yes guys, that's how simple it is. So if you want to acquire any of these units right here with me, make sure you go to our website, that is www.highwayav.co.ke, or you can reach us on +254 796 26 20 28, or rather just come to our office and visit us. It will be a pleasure having you around. We are located in South Bay at Trans Towers on upper ground floor, office number 6. Until next Tuesday with another magic from Blackmagic. See you. Bye bye.